Could 100 Roombas outsmart a tank? Forget drones, forget cyber warfare. We're talking Roombas. Yes, the household vacuum. What if, and hear me out, we weaponize 100 AI upgraded Roombas against a single modern battle tank? Each Roomba carries C4, GPS, and the raw will of a college dropout who watched too much Metal Gear Solid. They're programmed to swarm, confuse, and explode on impact. Now you're asking, but tanks have armor. And if it fails, just blame the AI. Classic modern warfare move. Would you fund the $1 billion Roomba battalion? Or do we just give raccoons little knives instead?